Hi, today we're going to be taking an unboxing review look at robots. Transforming vehicles. Transform your robot. Yeah, these are not all bootleg, KO, fakes, unofficial, unlicensed, transforming robots. Okay? Yeah, okay. The not Hasbro one. Although the quality, maybe it's about the same quality as Hasbro's, Transformers Power Appliance Fair, because Power Appliance Fairs are just, I had a couple and they're like horrible garbage compared to Titan's Return. Titan's Return was pretty awesome, but the not War for such one, the Combiner War, I don't know, I had to deal with the Combiner War, so I really wouldn't know about that. Power Appliance, I recommend staying away from those. Titan's Return was actually a pretty good lineup. The parts work, the parts fit. It was pretty good. Here's the other one that they have here. So packaging is a little bit bigger. Only reason why the packaging is small on this one and bigger on this one is because here it comes in vehicle mode. This one's already pre-transformed into robot mode. They sell another one there that's a little bit bigger. It looks like it's made less quality, more chintzy piece of plastic material. That yeah, it says that it's supposed to be one that snaps apart, so you can snap like the legs and arms off and swap it with another one. I don't know, that one just didn't look like that great of plastic. These look like slightly a little bit more better quality plastic than the other one. I know they're not the real Transformers, but plastic wise between that one and this one right next to each other, yeah, these look like they're a little bit better. So yeah, where did I get them at? I picked it up at the dollar store, so just go ahead and check the dollar store, Now, all the, like good guys, bad guys, fashions like, Autobots and stuff, I don't know, I guess they're robots, fighting other robots, and they're not in disguise. So, yeah. To transform it, the back shows instructions for all four of them. There was like four, I guess, in this wave of pre-vehicle transform. So I guess you could say in the art mode, vehicle art mode, if you want to call it that. Apparently there's four, and then in the robot mode, they're not telling you, just showing you like art mode and this one, and it's in color. While these ones, as you kind of see here, yeah. So this is supposed to be like a battle cruiser ship. I think it might be, I don't know, maybe it's roughly around the size of a PT boat. I don't really know. And no, they don't come with any instructions. It's kind of like, almost like I guess SirToys.com, where the packaging on SirToys.com, they don't even come in like a little box like this. They just come something like this, either in a bag or some bubble wrap on it. Instructions, well, as you see here, there's no instructions. And that's kind of how SirToys.com comes. No